Hi guys, welcome sa bago nating video. Ngayong araw guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ang kantang Alabaster Jar, isang worship song. Umpisa natin sa ating intro. Yun po. At paano ko po yung ginawa? Ito po. Nag-pluck po ako sa 4th string at saka sa 1st string. Yan ang 1st string lang po. 1st at 4th lang po yung ulitin natin. Ito po. Alisin. Tapos ilagay natin dito. Ito. Alisin. Tapos ilagay. Ulit. Tapos second string at 4th. Yun po. Para naman sa ating verse 1 guys, ang gagamitin pala nating mga chords dito guys ay D, A, B minor, pagkatapos G. At yung pattern na gagamitin natin guys ay from the top siya, baba, at saka balik. Para ganito siya. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos A. B minor. Subukan natin. Verse 1. This alabaster jar is all that I would want. I break it at your feet, oh Lord, it's less than you deserve. You're far more beautiful, more precious than the oil. Some of my desires and the fullness of my joy. Like you spill your blood and I spill my heart as an offering to my aching. Yun po yung ating verse 1. Here I am, take me, B minor, as an offering, G to G. Here I am, D, giving every heartbeat for you, glory, take me. Yung sa G pala guys, G major pala ito. G major. Pero pwede namang gamitin yung G, itong G. Kung saan kayo komportable guys. Basta yung ginagamit ko kasi palagi yung ito yung G major. Para mas maganda yung sound. So yun guys, yun yung chorus natin. At this time that I have left is all that I will do. I break it at your feet, oh Lord, it's less than you deserve. Although I bleed the sweat, pasensya na guys. Though my days are few, you give your life to me, so I will live my life for you. Like you spilled your blood and I spill my heart as an offering to my aching. ang verse 2 natin. At pagkatapos ng verse 2, babalik tayo sa chorus. At sa chorus natin ulit magsa-strum tayo. Subukan natin yung chorus. Here I am, take me as an offering. Here I am, giving every heartbeat for you, glory. Take me. Yun lang po yung ating content sa araw na ito, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.